Hey there, guys. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a must-have tool for all your DIY projects, the USB-C charging port for fast charging. This amazing device comes with a 2000 mAh built-in lithium-ion battery, making it the perfect companion for your next project. Not only does this cordless rotary tool offer 5 speeds for precise adjustment and control, but it's also small and comfortable to use, making it ideal for micro-engraving operations. The accessories are complete, with 46 PCS 100 PCS, ensuring that you have everything you need for your carving work. Now, let's talk about the specs. This tool comes in a stylish yellow and black color, and is made from durable ABS material. It features a clamping range of 0.5 to 3.2 millimeters, and is powered by a USB-C charging port for fast charging. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome DIY tips and tricks. Until next time, happy crafting! See my actual video on how powerful this tool is. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome DIY tips and tricks. Until next time, happy crafting!